What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canva Play.
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Simon, Good Heart VA, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. We make videos here in Canva Play to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here as we upload new videos all the time. With that said, I'm going to head on to our today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a burnt face effect in Canva. How to create or put a burnt scar in a human's face. Here's a tutorial on how to do it here. This kind of design is called burnt face effect. This is also a well-known Photoshop effect. And this time, I will create the same thing using Canva. This effect is usually showcased every Halloween or in doing movie banners in plays. Are you curious on how to do it? Well, then let's not make this intro long and start doing the design using the burnt face effect. But before that, here is the design that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design page and let's create a design. We usually create our designs using 1080 by 1350 pixel size or vertical Instagram size. This time for this tutorial, I choose to use a Canva page size of 1280 by 720 pixel size or YouTube thumbnail size for the reason of showing you the whole look of the design that I will create. To start, get your subject image from photos or uploads. I will get mine from uploads because I have already one prepared here. This one. You can also find this image in Canva's photo stock library by searching the keyword handsome bearded man wearing gray suit. I chose this photo because of the man's facial expression. It's suited for the effect that I am going to create because the looks or expression of the subject adds an impact to the design. Also, his face is clean that is perfect to put a burnt effect on it. To proceed, I'm going to insert a special element to put in his face as if it is burning. And I want a small portion of his face to still remain unburned. The next step, I will go now to Elements and type in the search bar the keyword burned hole on transparent background. Hit enter and many burned hole elements will appear in front of your eyes. Finding keywords is hard and time consuming, and you need to do a depth search and a lot more time to find this kind of keyword. If you want to save time and find extraordinary keywords like this in Canva, we have created an ebook called Canva Deep. Canva Deep is an ebook of 900 plus Canva search keywords with visual presentations that are widely known and deep search to help you find the exact stacked Canva resources for your day-to-day designs. Let's continue. Go to Graphics. As you can see, we have three elements here of burned hole transparent overlays. And then let's check under photos. We have here one. Okay, so let's go back again to graphics. I will choose this first one with the keyword burned hole on transparent background. I will click it and use it in my design. I will resize this one here and I will set this image as my background. And then I will position the element on his face. Here at the left portion of his face, covering his eye. Perfect. Now that we have already positioned our element, we will now download this image as a PNG and we will upload it back to Canva after. Once uploaded, I'm going to insert the image that we upload on the design. The next step is I will remove the background of this image by using the background remover. Using the image, go to Edit Image and click Background Remover. I recommend you to use Canva Pro in creating this design to easily remove the background and freely erase the portions you want within the image using the brush tool built in this background remover feature. If you want to have a Canva Pro account, I have a link in the description below that will give you access to 30 trial days of Canva Pro. Just click the link and it will direct you to Canva to process your trial subscription. It's completely free and you can cancel it at any time you want, hassle-free. Now I am going to erase all of image outside the burned hole element and I will only retain what is inside it. Don't worry for not erasing it perfectly, especially on the dark burned outline of the transparent burn hole element, because we will place it after at the back of the design to cover the uneven erased edges of it. So, watch me do it. Once it's okay, click Done and Apply. To continue, I will now resize this image and make sure that it fits the background that we have. I will crop this one for it not to automatically replace the background. And after that, I will send it to back. Perfect. Now we will change the color of our background image by applying some image effects. The purpose of applying this is to emphasize the unburnt portion of his face as if it's the only remaining part of the image that is not consumed by fire. Anyway, using the background image, go to Edit Image Scroll down and find the photogenic effect. This one. Then click See All. And you will see here so many options to choose from. You can actually use any of the effects we have here. But for me, I want it close to black and white but with a bit of tint. So I will scroll down to find the perfect photogenic effect that I want to use. And I think I'm going to use this one, the poster photogenic effect under the color pop section. Click it to make changes to the image. And then click apply. Our next step is to add fire spark elements to this photo to create more drama to our design. I'm sure that they will add a realistic vibe to our design. What we will do next is we will now go again to elements. And let's search here the keyword fiery sparks. Hit enter and then go to graphics. And you will see here so many options to choose from. I will use, I think, this one, showing you the keyword Fury Sparks. I will click it and use it in my design, and I will scatter it throughout this design. Then I think I'm going to need another one. This one, I think. Bits of Fury Sparks. Another one. And this one too. Perfect. Now for the final touch, we will add realistic fire elements to the burned hole overlay that we place in here. And now let's go again to elements. This time, type in the search bar the keyword real fire effect overlay. Hit enter. And then go to graphics. And you will see here many fire overlays that you can apply in your design. As for me, I will have, I think, this one, showing you the keyword real fire effect overlay. I will click it and use it in my design. I will resize this one. And I think I'm going to position it here. The burned edges of our burned hole. I rotated it and resized it small. I duplicated this and going to rotate it once more and position it, I think, here at the side. Okay. Okay, that's good. I will need another one. I think this one is perfect for our design. Showing you the keyword real fire effect overlay. I will click this and use it in my design. And then I will position it here. Done. I will zoom it in for you to see it clearly. This is now the final look of the design I created using the burnt face effect in Canva. That's it! For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Simon, Good Heart VA saying sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky Godsent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys! See you in the next video.